Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Home Creators. Design number 1, West facing house. Design number 2, South facing house. Design number 3, North facing house. Design number 4, East facing house. Design number 5, West facing house. Design number 6, South facing house. Design number 7, West facing house. Design number 8, North facing house. Design number 9, West facing house. Design number 10, South facing house. Design number 11, North facing house. Design number 12, East facing house. Design number 13, North facing house. Design number 14, North facing house. Design number 15, West facing house. Design number 16, East facing house. Design number 17, East facing house. Design number 18, North facing house. Design number 19, East facing house. Design number 20, East facing house. Design number 21, East facing house. Design number 22, North facing house. Design number 23, North facing house. Design number 24, East facing house. Design number 25, East facing house. Design number 26, East facing house. Design number 27, West facing house. Design number 28, South facing house. Design number 29, East facing house. Design number 30, West facing house. 31, East facing house. 32, South facing house. 33, East facing house. 34, South facing house. 35, West facing house. 36, West facing house. 37, East facing house. 38, South facing house. 39, South facing house. 40, East facing house. 41, South facing house. 42, South facing house. 43, West facing house. 44, East facing house. 45, West facing house. 46, West facing house. 47, North facing house. 48, West facing house. 49, South facing house. 50, East facing house. Thank you.